Greetings and a warm welcome to all you health enthusiasts on the VitalGlow Life channel. Today we're embarking on a wellness journey, exploring the realm of detoxification and how a simple concoction can be a game changer for your liver health. Yes, we're talking about homemade liver detox water, an easy-to-make and effective solution for maintaining your overall health by giving your liver a much-needed cleanse. Stay tuned as we delve into the steps of creating this healthful beverage. First and foremost, gather all the necessary ingredients. Our elixir of rejuvenation requires just a few simple elements: water, organic lemons, fresh mint leaves, cucumber, and ginger. It's vital to choose fresh and organic ingredients, as they're brimming with nutrients and free from harmful chemicals. The lemons provide a vitamin C boost, mint adds a refreshing twist, cucumber offers hydration, and ginger brings a spicy kick. Now that we have our ingredients ready, we can move on to the preparation process. The preparation process is as simple as the ingredients themselves. Let's dive right into it. First things first, wash your hands and the ingredients thoroughly. We wouldn't want any unwanted particles in our detox water, would we? Once everything's clean, it's time to slice up the lemons and cucumber. You don't need to be a master chef for this, just ensure they're thin enough to allow their juices to seep out into the water. Next, we grate the ginger. Now, ginger can be a bit tricky. You want to grate it finely, but don't worry about getting it too perfect. The goal is to extract its potent juices, not to win a grating contest. Now comes the exciting part. Gather all the ingredients and place them into a pitcher of water. It might look like a pretty salad at first, but trust me, this is where the magic begins. Once all the ingredients are swimming happily in the pitcher, cover it and let it chill in the fridge overnight. This allows the flavors to meld together, infusing the water with all the detoxifying goodness. Morning comes and voila! Your liver detox water is ready. Pour it into a glass, take a deep breath, and savor the refreshing taste. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a part of your morning routine, and you'll be doing your liver a huge favor. It's as simple as that. Your liver detox water is now ready to be consumed. Let's recap and delve into the benefits of this wonderful detox water. We've combined simple, natural ingredients at home to create a powerful liver detox water. A quick blend of lemon, mint, ginger, and cucumber left to infuse overnight, and voila! A refreshing, healthy drink is ready to kickstart your day. Now, why is this drink so beneficial? Well, it's all about the liver, your body's detox powerhouse. This soothing concoction acts as a gentle scrub for your liver, helping to flush out toxins. It's like a spa treatment for your insides. Added to this, the ingredients promote improved digestion, meaning your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently. Your immune system gets a boost, equipping you better to fight off those pesky germs. And let's not forget the skin benefits. Regular consumption can lead to a clear, radiant complexion. In a nutshell, this detox water is a simple yet potent tool for overall well-being. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthier you. Well, we've come to the end of our journey today. We've seen how simple it is to make liver detox water right in your own kitchen. This potent elixir not only detoxifies your liver, but also contributes to your overall well-being. And remember, the best part is that it's all natural and completely within your control. Thank you for tuning into VitalGlow Life. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthful tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing.